Step 1. Log into this app. Step 2. Search on Google. Step 3. Get paid. It's as easy and as simple as that. Today, guys, I have an awesome strategy to share with you. It involves several websites that you probably have never heard about before, including the one you've just seen a minute ago. All of them will pay you for just searching on Google. Since doing that is obviously not hard, it means that this doesn't involve any hard work of sorts. So you won't have to spend like hours and hours in front of your laptop to only earn a small amount of money. And this is actually worldwide available and will work no matter where you are from. And lastly, you can see here that one of the sites I will show you does indeed pay via PayPal, among other options. So if you want to make some good money online and you don't really want to bother investing a lot of work, then this is a great video for you and you should keep watching. With that said, let's now get into the video. You have all just heard me right. Today, I have a strategy to share with you that is perfect for beginners and for those of you who don't want to invest a lot of time or effort into this to get paid. Admittedly, you won't be earning like hundreds of thousands of dollars, but on the flip side, you also won't be doing anything hard whatsoever. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will reveal to you the tool that will make you the most money out of them all by far. Without further ado, the very first site I want to show you guys is this one right here called 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿.com. Now this site, although it's good, it's not that popular, so the vast majority of you have not heard about it. As such, let me elaborate as to what this is and how it is relevant for us in making money online. 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 is basically a platform that will increase website traffic. It's perfect for people who own a website. Most of the time, those are business owners as well, and who aren't getting traffic to that site to make it worthwhile. The thing is that those people could be paying literally hundreds of dollars on a daily basis to get to the first page of Google so that they get traffic to make their investment worthwhile. But if they're not on that first page of Google, as many of you know, the amount of traffic they get is minimal to say the least. On Google here, you can see that a mere 25% of people will actually go to the second page on Google, meaning that people who are not on that first page are losing 75% of traffic. And if they're investing a lot of money into their website, and they are, that is detrimental to their business and they are losing money. So this is where 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 comes in. What 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 will do for those people, simply put, is it will allow them to get on that first page of Google in exchange for a bit of money. The way they will do that is as follows. They will pay people to search for a particular website in question on Google and open it up, and this goes for like thousands of people. What this does in turn is it allows the said website to start ranking higher on Google, and it increases its chances of getting on that first page. That is, in essence, how 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 here works. With all of that said though, you will not need a website for this, guys, so don't worry. I'm not going to tell you to create some website, then pay 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 to increase the traffic you get or whatever. As I said before, this is a strategy to make money that is easy to do above all else. And so, what you will do on 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 to make money is you will actually be one of those people who searched for the website, as some of you probably guessed. The customer will pay 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 for the traffic, and then 𝐴𝐵𝐶𝐿 will pay you for merely searching for that same website and opening it up. It's as easy as that. So that you can start making money on this platform, all that you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and then you want to click on Become a Clicker here. On the following page, you'll get more info about what you will be doing to get paid. Let's start off with the amount of money you will earn. As you can see here, you will earn 5 cents to 10 cents per click. Now, yes, that's not a lot by any means, but do keep in mind what you are actually doing here. You type in a website, you click on it, and that's it. That's like 10 seconds worth of work, not hard by the way, and you will earn up to 10 cents, which does quickly add up. 10 websites is $1 already, 100 websites is $10, and so on. point being here that even though this isn't a lot of money, it's also not a lot of work you're doing either. And more importantly, you aren't investing hours and hours of your time for that much money. So it does add up quite a bit, actually. Two great features regarding payment that I want to mention as well are these. You only need $5 in your account to withdraw your money. And secondly, you will be withdrawing that money through PayPal. So yes, for those wondering, this platform does accept PayPal. All around, it's a really good website, guys. It actually pays quite decently considering the amount of work you're doing, and so I do recommend trying it out. To start making money with it, all you need to do on this page is just click on this button here. You'll then proceed to enter in all of this info, your email address, password, PayPal email, which you will retype as confirmation, and just click on submit down below, and you'll be able to start making money with this site by merely searching on Google. The second website I have for you guys differs a bit from that first one. It's called Adsense.com, and this platform, unlike the previous one, has nothing to do with increasing traffic to websites in exchange for money. Instead, this is your classic make money online site. Predictably so, on here you can get paid by downloading apps, watching videos, completing surveys, and much more. For our purposes though, this platform is useful because it will also pay you to sign up to websites, as you can see below. All you would need to do is quite similar to what you had to do on 𝐸𝐸 to get paid. You'll search for a site on Google first, but instead of just opening it up, you will go ahead and sign up to it, which of course takes a little bit more of your time, but once again, it's nothing too long. It'll take you no more than 3 minutes to sign up to any website they ask you to, so you can start making money with this platform, either by just searching for sites on Google or by doing some of the other tasks they have to offer. You just have to type in your email address in this box here, your password just below, and click on Join Now here to create your brand new account on this website and start making money. Now, the website that will arguably pay you the most for just searching on Google though, and not a couple of dollars here and there, is this one right here. To access this website, you just need to click on the very first link I left down in the description. This software, as you can see, will pay you for just using the internet. You can see just below that you can earn nearly $400 an hour by browsing websites like YouTube and Facebook, and also Google. Even though it doesn't say it on the homepage, you can get paid by searching on Google with this platform. And more importantly, you will get paid a lot more as well. This is all possible without having to get traffic to some site or whatever, without any expenses once you purchase this software, and without having to wait for results. Now, as you've just heard, yes, this is not a free software, so that is a bit of a downside. But do keep in mind that it pays a lot more than the previous two sites, and probably most other sites you can find online, and you're not doing anything hard whatsoever. If this makes it easier for some of you, you can see here that they do offer a year-long money-back guarantee, and that they will actually pay you $300 if this does not work out for you. So I hope that makes up for the fact that you have to pay for this tool at least. Once again, if you want to try this out, and I would recommend doing so since, as you've just heard, you can't stand to lose any money. Just click on the first link in the description and you'll be able to start making big money online by just searching on Google as promised.